Tired of your Asana Subtasks looking like a digital to-do tornado? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how to create sections within your Asana Subtasks for ultimate project zen. First, open the task you want to organize. Look for the Subtasks section. It's usually at the bottom of the task description. See that Add Subtasks button? Ignore it for now. Instead, click the three dots icon, the More Actions menu, usually located at the top right corner of the subtask area. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and select the Add Section option. Click it. Now, a new section will appear in your subtasks. Give it a descriptive name, like brainstorming or drafting or whatever makes sense for your task. Just type directly into the section title field. To move existing subtasks into your new section, simply click and drag them from their current position into the section you just created. Easy peasy. Repeat these steps to create as many sections as you need to break down your task into manageable chunks. This is the key to Asana Subtask organization. And there you have it. Sections in your Asana Subtasks will give you crystal clear project management and improved workflow.